Welcome students. Now I would like to share a detailed explanation of Panch Pranas, 5 types of Vayus. Very important topic. So let's continue. Panch Prana are the 5 prana Vayus in our body which help in regulating the body organs by accumulation and distribution of energy obtained from the digested food. The 5 types of prana Vayus are: first is Pran. This is the first and the main of the 5 Vayus. It governs the region from the diaphragm to the base of throat. Note down important point. Pran Vayu is the energy that drives the life forward and maintains lungs and hearts. Important. Any type of defect in pranavayu causes the malfunctioning of lungs and heart. Important point. It is associated with element air. Important point. Next is apanvayu. It guards the pelvic region between the navel and perineum. Note down. It is downward flowing and is primarily responsible for elimination. Important point. Apanvayu controls the functioning of reproductive and excretory system. Important point. Note down. Such as sperm ejaculation and expulsion of waste matters from the body. Disturbance in apanvayu can cause hemorrhoids, piles, diarrhea. It is associated with the element earth and the Muladhara chakra. Important point. Next is Smanvayu. It operates between the navel and the diaphragm. Important. It flows sideways and is responsible for digestion and accumulation of nutrients in our body. Important point. Direction is sideways. It also unifies the two opposite forces pran and apan. Very important point. Sman Vayu is associated with the element fire and Manipur Chakra. Important point. Disturbances in Sman Vayu can cause indigestion, gastric disorders and shortness of breath. Important point. Next is Udan Vayu. It governs the region above throat, face and head. It controls the sensory organs and functioning of brain. Important point. It also controls the movements of hands, legs and necks. Important. It is associated with ether element and the Vishuddhi chakra. Disturbance in Udan Vayu can cause disjointed speech, loss of balance and paralysis of hands and feet. Important point. Next is Vyan Vayu. It is also known as reserve energy. Important point. Write down. It pervades the whole body. Important point. It is outward moving and flows in every nadi of the body. Vyan Vayu includes the movement of lymph, blood and nerve impulses. It controls the voluntary muscular system. It is associated with water element. Disturbance in Vyan Vayu can cause uncoordination between mind and body. Important point. So these are the 5 types of Vayus. In next video lecture, I will explain the various types of disease according to Ayurveda. Thank you.